Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they're proud of or their community or whatever. I include them at the end of the video. This is the first Sunday in the month is when I do these. I also have a giveaway attached to them, I hope, every time now. If you're interested in sending in photos for this is the email address right here. Just include Subscriber Sunday photos or something to that effect in the email. I get a lot of emails to this account now, and I want to make sure that I get yours included. If I've missed yours, I apologize. There were quite a few this month, and like I say, they're in a big group of emails. So before that, I have some photos from the J.C. Ralston Arboretum and a little video snippets that I had taken over the course of the month, right before the subscriber photos. And before that, we have a giveaway from plantsbymail.com. That was the giveaway for this month. They were giving away three $50 gift certificates. One on Instagram, and the winner on Instagram is Chatterton. And the winner on Facebook is Kelly Jenkins. I'll do the YouTube one in just a second. I'll show you how I go about picking these winners. Any of the three winners, there'll be a third one in just a second. Any of the three winners, just hit me with a message on YouTube or on my email address on YouTube, on the About page on there, or on Facebook or on Instagram or wherever, and I'll get your email over to Plants by Mail, and they'll get your gift certificate to you. I have a giveaway already planned for next month. I will announce that next Sunday in a video. I have a lot of content coming up this week. I've got a purple daydream Laura Petalum video where I show things that would look good with it in the garden. I have a Juliet Clara video coming up this week. I'm going to do a bulb video where all the bulbs I'd got in the other day, and put up a video yesterday about bulbs. I'll go through the varieties that I got so you can see the ones that I ordered for my yard. And what else? Oh, I have a pH tester video that's coming soon. I'm waiting for some state results back. I've tested all kinds of inexpensive and very expensive pH testers just to see if there's a difference in spending more money on one or less money on one. That video will come out as soon as I get the state results. I sent it off to the state as well because I wanted to have a baseline to compare them all to. What else? Anyway, lots of good content coming up, so thank you very much for watching. Here's the YouTube winner and the photos from J.C. Ralston Arboretum and the subscriber photos. Thanks everyone for participating in this every month. Okay, so here's the random comment picker. I'm going to pick the YouTube winner now. I just enter the video where everybody made the comments. It goes and finds the comments. I filter duplicate users. And then we hit start, and it randomly picks from the 160 unique commenters on the video, and the winner is RT. So again, any of the winners, just send me a message any way that you can from YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, and I'll get those gift certificates out to you. Thanks for watching.